Today we will be introducing the latest laser welding machine from Supermel. The laser welding machine mainly used in jewelry catching holes, blister repairing. It's suitable for gold, silver, platinum, K-gold, and stainless steel and titanium. Okay, let's try the machine. Let's turn on the machine with the red button. As you can see here, there is an air cooling system. Inside there is a water tank. Normally we need 4 to 5 liters of pure water. It will prevent the machine from the heating problem. Let's turn on the machine. It takes around 30 seconds. After open the machine, we can see the menu here, and let's change to the program. We can see there is current and pulse Y, and also the laser spot. That's the diameter of the laser spot. For some jewelry, we can change to bigger spot. For example, we can change to 1. The minimum is 0.1. And in total there are 32 memory data setting, so you can change based on different material and different kind of jewelry. Let's try this one. Change. The current is the power, so let's change here. Also there is a frequency. Frequency means the speed of the laser, so let's change with the smaller one. Okay, let's try to make some sample here. You can see that's the spot. Let's change to bigger one. Bigger current and bigger spot. As you can see the difference. After using the machine, press off. And then press the button.